Hey y'all, let's get into these birria tacos. You're going to start out with your meat of choice. I am using beef pot roast. Cut it up into cubes and season it with salt and pepper. Keep the seasoning simple because we're going to sear it. Now let's move on to the flavor, y'all. You see the ingredients on the screen. We're going to bring these things to a boil for 15 minutes. Just get a pot of water, add them, and then bring it to a boil for 15 minutes. And now we're going to drain it. All right, we're going to keep some of that liquid because we're going to need it to blend it. Once you have drained your ingredients, go ahead and put it into a blender, and then you can see all the seasonings I added to this on the screen here. Add a little bit of liquid. We're going to bring it to a blend till everything is nice and smooth. And next we're going to move on to our meat. We're going to go ahead and sear our meat until it has a nice golden brown sear to it, just like that right there, y'all. Now go ahead and pour your blended ingredients into the beef, and then we're going to add a stick of cinnamon. We're going to add about 2 to 3 bay leaves, and we're going to pour our beef stock. You can use beef stock, chicken stock, or water, but you need about 2 to 4 cups depending on how much meat you use. Pour that until the meat is pretty much covered with the liquid, and go ahead and add additional seasoning for taste. And then we're going to go ahead and bake this low and slow in the oven for about 3 hours. Your meat should be falling apart. Once it's done, you're going to remove the meat out of the pot. Go ahead and shred your beef or your meat of choice, whatever you're using, y'all. Add a little bit of that juice to the meat so that it's nice and moist. Take your corn tortilla shells, dip it into the sauce. Don't let it sit. Just dip it in, take it out, put it on your griddle or a hot skillet. Then we're going to go ahead and add our cheese, whatever cheese you prefer to use. Y'all saw mine in the video. Once you add the cheese, go ahead and start adding your meat, and then put a little bit of onion if you like onion. If not, don't put it on there, y'all. You could add some cilantro on as well. Now we're going to go ahead and get our consomme, which is basically the juice from the meat that we cooked. Add your onions, add your cilantro, and you're basically going to cook the tacos so they're nice and the cheese is melted and the tortilla shell is at least a little bit crispy, y'all. You don't want it too soggy. And that is pretty much it, y'all. My first try at Birria Tacos. I don't know why this recipe intimidates me, but I was just nervous, y'all. I wanted to make sure the flavor was there, and it definitely was, y'all. So definitely give this a try. And thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoy.